Stop CAPTCHAs from breaking your automation workflows instantly. Imagine CI pipelines, crawlers, and pintastes running uninterrupted. CAPTCHA interception automates CAPTCHA handling with precision and speed. Real-time interception captures challenges before they disrupt jobs. Integrates into Selenium, Playwright, Puppeteer, and custom agents. Actionable logs record challenge metadata, timestamps, and solver decisions. Fine-grained controls let you accept, retry, or bypass intelligently. Built for scale, low latency, high throughput, reliable operation. Supports rate limits, session affinity, and adaptive backoff strategies. Secure by design. Audit trails, access control, and encryption. Speeds up testing, improves scraping accuracy, and reduces flakiness. Developers regain time. Researchers scale experiments with confidence. Integrate in minutes via SDKs, REST API, or middleware. Monitor dashboards, export logs, and automate incident responses. Try CAPTCHA interception today. Simplify automation, reclaim productivity.